pretty good.
Good teamwork right there.
Yeah, I appreciate the noise.
Wait, is it in?
Yo, were you looking?
Yeah. My exercise.
Oh, okay, cool.
Huckle!
Okay.
But can I keep walking?
Sure.
That was fun. That one was the easiest one.
No way.
Yes.
Huh?
I don't think so.
I couldn't find Keonna's for a while.
No way. Hers was in, like,
Well, I didn't go back to
so... You and Karen were literally like hugging each other.
Yeah, she's playing off.
Hey, open your arms. It is kind of hard though.
Think about the classrooms you're in. This would be cool.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I'm actually impressed that you got it so quick.
You know why? Because her eyes are open.
Huh? No. Well, think about where I was sitting.
But, yeah, that's true. How long did it take for everybody to find your own?
4 minutes.
4 minutes? I want to beat that. I'm actually shocked that yours took so long.
Yeah.
But... I don't know.
This is cool. It's a good game. Good job. I predict everybody will use this at least once this week if we're inside.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
This one's creative. It's like...
No, that's somebody at least this week will use it.
I'm going to have to add a twist to mine.
Yeah.
This is literally what my game was.
And this can like be really long or
Yeah.
like multiple rounds.
Yeah.
Bro, ew. What
So we just got 2 people that know where it is. Wow. What are you doing?
You have to sit down now. You got to sit down.
Yeah. So roughly 15 people don't have any clue. Huh.
Huckle, Beanstalk.
Okay, all right. It is not. I don't have a back pocket.
Do you like it?
This is so cute. It's like it has like a
Yeah.
like the number one little like it's like a little it says number one teacher. It's like such an adorable size. I feel like I'm gonna be the last person to find it.
Huckle Beanstalk.
What?
That was good. I like that one. I don't like it. I think it's over.
Dog.
I think it's over.
Buckle.
I think it's over.
Yeah, you might. Again, it's around 4 minutes.
No, maybe not. I thought it was over, but I don't know.
Anyway, I can't believe you guys took so long. Can we get a hint?
Too many people.
So many people. Guys, think about where I I walked over here.
You beat her.
Attention to detail.
You beat her.
Over here, over there, and over here.
Did I?
Uh-huh. We're at 4:20.
Okay, wait. Okay, it's on. Y'all see this window right here? Like the edge of this window on the right? It's that way. It's on this side.
Wow. That's so
Can't give you all of those. Oh.
So it's not in that corner.
Yeah. It's not behind the fire extinguisher. I thought it was.
I'm so confused.
It could blend in though since it's red.
You put it in the trash can.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, you could. She's playing it off now. Mm-hmm.
Bro,
Yep. She found it. Yep. She definitely did.
That was really good. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I'm sure.
Amber literally like 5 seconds straight. And walked right away.
You were close, but then I was like,
5.5 minutes.
where? I can't tell you.
Counting out?
Where?
Okay, wait. It's to the right of this door right here. It's on the right side of the door.
Okay.
It's like the circle.
We're cheering for you, Natalie.
Yeah, he did. Sarah's been like almost eyeball to it a couple times. Sarah, I was just saying to him, like, you were eye level with it multiple times.
Where is it then?
Yeah, no, I give a big hint.
Yeah, Sarah, you looked so guilty before you said
She did not see it.
It's on closer to the front half of the room. Not in that corner.
It's not messy.
No,
It's not in that corner.
All of you are
really more.
Very warm.
Yeah.
That's even hilarious.
It's not feel good. What is in here? It's like a plastic thing.
It might have got wet.
Would you stop?
We're over 7 minutes.
Yeah, bro, you're a sweat, bro.
I hope, here we go, Kamari, I hope. There you go.
Kamari, you found it? What? What? You found it.
I did find it.
I'm curious when kids find it, their reaction. Because some of you guys, your eyes get one of those looks.
That's how Sarah was.
Yeah. Carmela was that way over there, the first game. You stopped yourself.
What? How was me? Did I show it?
I didn't notice. I went watching.
See that? I found it, guys.
No, I didn't know you found it. Until you
We got 2 left. Brenner, did you find it? Okay. Not that high. Not that high. It's a race between you two. 8 minutes.
That's just the only spot. Like
Left.
I'm too short for that.
Reagan, left where you're looking.
Bro, it's near something that rhymes with nook.
Alex, what's who's class? Is that it?
Oh, wait.
He's a sport.
Bro.